is a new colorful addition to streets across central Indiana.
And it's all in an effort to cut down on tagging and graffiti on Indy buildings. Meredith Joliet joins us live with the art that's making the city just a little bit brighter. And Meredith, this is so cool to see.
Yeah, this is really cool. And talk about making the city a little brighter. Check out this mural right behind me. It's by artist Kyle Ragsdale, one of 14 murals going up on a store chain that just might surprise you. It is Jiffy Lube. So how did we get here? Well, back in 2016, the Broad Ripple Jiffy Lube was continually getting tagged and graffitied, and they realized that the white walls on the side of the building were probably a target. They commissioned an artist to paint a mural, and it was very well received. So well received, in fact, that they started a partnership with the Arts Council of Indianapolis and began creating more murals. For this year, for 2019, they needed 5 artists for new murals, and the response they got was overwhelming.
Last year we had 20 artists apply for 6 murals. This year we had 65. Every artist in town wants to paint a Jiffy Lube wall.
Jiffy Lube Indiana is actually being nationally recognized for these murals with an arts and business partnership. The artist Kyle says it's really cool to bring art to a street that doesn't have any. He says you don't have to be downtown to see art. It can be on any street, a street near you. And what's really cool is you can even see it while you're getting your oil changed. Ben and Alyssa.
So cool. Thank you so much, Meredith, for showing it to us this morning.